phone, I know.
Video. All right. Action.
So today is November 21st. We are week 3 of the East Coast, the American Rhythm East Coast Swing bronze level. So tonight was a day of practice. Some tweaks and some really cool stuff thrown in there. Okay. So what we did was we did the she goes, he goes turn. We also did 4 walks, 4 kicks. We're just practicing everything else. That's right, because we worked on a lot of the technique. Okay, so the change was going into that's what it was. We put our American spin with our inside underarm turn with the she goes, he goes, and then we're going to do the 4 walks, 4 kicks. You can also put in the sliding doors. There we go. So we have 1, 2. So we're going to do the American spin. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to do the inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can finish there, or I can do my turn. So I'll show you that again. See this? Let's do it right here. So the lady's going to go first, and then I'm going to follow. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I go 5, 6. Back, rock. And then we get sliding doors. And the 4 walks, 4 kicks. 4 walks, 4 kicks, my favorite. Okay, so we've changed the timing a couple of times with those side rocks and chassis in the middle. Here, we're just going to do 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap, 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 back, rock. So that was the first way we did it. We could also do it without the hand, just by taking our centers back. 1, 2, 3, 4, compress, compress, and in a little variation, I kick up. Oh, you busted that awesome! Okay. And then at the end of that, we can actually add an American spin by the press off of the chest. So we're going to do the, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, press, 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 up, back, rock. She puts her hand on, she does a chasse in place, triple step, she presses off and turns, and then finishes with a chasse, back, rock. Yeah, so we do back rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back out. Hence, the gentleman or leader has to wait till she finishes the turn to finish that chasse. Okay, so if we put it all together, oh boy. Here we go. See if I can remember all this. We had the basic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did a basic turning left. Then we had a basic turning right. Then we did our American spin. Going into the underarm turn. Then I do the underarm turn, coming back out. We did remember this last week, the sliding door. Here we go. Here we go, ending with an inside underarm turn. Going to our 4 walks, 4 kicks. Into the compression. Come on, you gotta do it. Bringing it in and turn back. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, that was my fault. Triple step, back, rock. That's it. Very nice. A lot of stuff to kind of mull over. Thank you very much.